Hello and welcome, and today I'm here. This place is called Sachsen by Ansbach, and this, I'd have to say, is a very nice place to stop the night. I found this in Park for Night, and we've got a car park effectively. It's not really a motorhome place. There's no places especially for motorhomes. It is built next to the cemetery, and here's a little tip for you. If you find yourself needing water in Germany, you can always get water at the cemetery. You can always get the water at the cemetery in just about anywhere you go to, but I don't think there's anything wrong with doing that, but you do want to make sure, if you can, that the water is actually piped in and not from a well, for perhaps obvious reasons. 6:30 in the morning. Got this wonderful sound of the birds, which it's been like this last hour. I really like this time of year. So it's the beginning of May. Today is Saturday the 3rd of May, and this is what it's like, and this is what I've got to wake up to. Isn't it great? Unfortunately, the weather's going to pour down, but you can't have everything, I suppose. So this, for me, is what van life is all about, coming to places like this. So this is Middle Franconia. I'm translating that from German. It's roughly 20 kilometers or 25 kilometers to the west of Nuremberg. It is approximately 10 kilometers to the southeast of Ansbach, approximately, maybe 8 maybe. And here we have plenty of places to park. Plenty of places to park, and as I turn around now, there is my vehicle in the car park. No facilities, but it's a free night. It's really good being here. Wonderful place to stop the night, and not so far from the motorway. Well, but not so near as well. Thanks for watching.